Hi everyone, today we are going to have a image editing assignment where we are going to create our own wallpapers for our school computers using an online image editing software. So our first step will be to go to photo.com and choose the option of create a design. So just go to your Google search bar, type in photo.com, and then click the one on the right hand side that says create a design. So once you're there, you can move on to the second step, which is to choose Create New Design on the left-hand side and then choose Wallpaper. So if we look here on the left-hand side, we can choose Create New Design. And then you look through these and you will find the one that says Wallpaper. So once you get here, you can begin creating your wallpaper. In the wallpapers we are making, you must choose a background and then add in 2 text boxes, one of which has to be your name, and then you will choose at least one design element to add into your wallpaper. So to choose a background, you can look at these pre-made images on the left-hand side and choose whichever one you like. If you want to see more, you can click on the ones that say more, and then pick one for your wallpaper. If the wallpaper you chose already has text in it, all you have to do is double click the text and then type in whatever you would like to type in. If your background does not already have text in it, you can go to the column on the left side that says text, choose to add a body text, or you can choose from one of these pre-made quotes that are already set for you, and you can add them into your wallpaper. Once you have text in your wallpaper, you can use the arrows on the side of the box to make it smaller, or you can rotate it. You can put it whichever design way you like. And then our next step is to add in at least one design element. So you go back to the left side and you see the column that says element. And from here you can choose any of these design elements and then add them into your wallpaper, whichever ones you like. You have to add at least one of them into there. So that is all you are required to do for your wallpaper. However, you can upload photos from your computer that you like. You can add multiple backgrounds or multiple colors. You can choose from photos they have. You can make it however you would like. And that's all you have to do for this assignment.